Let's open and see what is this. Okay, let's see what is here. Scotch mailing box. Oh, what is this? Well, I need 2 hands to open this. Let's just go for this one first. Ooh, a finder scope. Right angle correct image finder scope. And both caps are there. That's beautiful. Let me put these things away. Okay, let's see. The diagonal is Celestron. And finder, oh, it's a Lumicon. It's a quality Lumicon one, and it comes with a Skywatcher Orion style dovetail. This is great. Let's remove this. This is quality. It's around 1.5 kilo in weight. I'm telling you, it's not light. Let me open this. Beautiful Lumicon finder scope. This is the best for the Dobsonian. And this is a 25 Kelner eyepiece on it. Oh, this is so useful. It's a pain to look through those normal ones. These right angle correct image ones are brilliant. We purchased one and we got these things. That's really good. We put it in good use.